Good afternoon. On this Saturday, we're gonna do some drawing out of the Viking / Japanese inspired sword. It is right now 31 inches long, 60 layers of Damascus. That's 15N20, 1084 and 1095 all layered in and forge welded together with using my 0 atmosphere method, what I found on YouTube one gentleman uses, and it seems to work really well as long as you have the steel to the correct heat, which is obviously always important no matter what. Works perfect every time. I have a billet actually that's just on first forge weld. It's quite large. It's I believe 26 layers, and I haven't ground it to the flush, but I can tell right away that these are all just perfectly welded together. A great forge weld. It's a foolproof method, really, as long as you know when that steel is cooked and ready to weld. Don't do a big billet, that's for sure. Start small. You gotta know that you gotta let it sit in there for a while and cook. It's like a turkey. You think it's hot on the outside, you can see that it's the right color and everything. It's maybe even the flux is boiling to where you think it should come out. Walk away. Go for 10 minutes or whatever and let that heat from the outside soak to the inside. Has to do that. Or you get the center, which is uncooked. Anyway, light her up here. Oh, this is a joint. Light the forge. There's what we'll be putting in there today. 60 layers, 31 inches long, 1.5 inches wide at the tip, 1 and about 3/4 at the jetting end. I'm going to draw it out another few inches and it should be great. So I'll focus in on the picture what the sword's going to look like. So you can loosen that off a bit. There it is. Zoom in a bit. Be a little tough to see. But yeah, there you go. You get the idea. Back to the forge. I've mentioned this on different videos, but I'll mention it again. I really like this forge that I built. For me, I can reduce it, and I don't mind doing it. It's not a lot of work. We just put a couple bricks in behind where the third burner is and block that off. And fill that part with brick, take the burner right out, and plug the hole. I made it that way so it's, you know, it's more efficient. I don't have to have 3 burners for a billet that's only 6 inches long, because this thing inside is 28 inches from front to back. That's usable space, and then of course obviously you can put it through the back too. And I can also use the back as a secondary front for other things. I'm not sure if I will or not, but I can. Even to the point of having a blade that's long enough to rest on a bar on the other side of the forge. I'll just walk you over to that. So here on the back end, oh, zoom out. There you go. On the back end, it's actually a doorway here. It opens it right straight up. I've got it packed full of stuff here just so it's efficient. We may as well zoom in on the power hammer mostly today. We'll put the camera right here. See, hopefully I can get the whole video in there. Smashing away. And a bit more on the hammer part. There we go. And I'm going to turn it off for a bit while we get our